food.
Are you ready? Play.
I'm nervous. No, baby. Okay. Can you play a different song? Play her. Play something by her.
Extra. Come on. Okay, so y'all, this is what we doing. So she can't hear nothing. Okay. So what this is going to
Alright. Here we go.
Okay, so what this is going to be. No. Okay, so what this is going to be, I'm going to be doing this, tell me she wants me to sing. Okay, anyway, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm going to be doing this little thing where she tastes all the snacks, okay? So she tastes all the snacks that I got up in there. And it's something special that I got up in there. What I'm going to do now is open up all the snacks, but she cannot hear me open it up to each. Okay?
You only me with a legend. No. Okay,
come on. You gotta stay just like these. You cannot turn around. You need to sit back. Come on.
Alright, come over there.
Take out the headphones.
What? What we doing then? Can I
Come
take off
on,
my blindfold?
No, I'm gonna get
This
the
the game?
instructions. Yes. Okay. So stop. Okay, so the instructions are. Okay, so we doing this test tasting challenge. So you have to get everything right what I'm giving you, and I'm gonna sell you $100. And this is gonna be money you can play with, do whatever you want to do.
Alright, cool. Alright.
Alright, so anyway.
But what if I get one wrong?
If you get one wrong, you don't win.
Okay.
But you gotta try.
Tight.
You have to at least try that.
Hold on, cause
You ain't gotta know.
Alright. So if it's 7-Up, I can say Sprite.
Right.
Okay.
Right. No, hell no.
Bruh.
No, because you know what a 7-Up tastes like, and it don't taste like no Sprite, just like no Sprite don't taste like no ginger ale. So you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the other thing.
This the other thing.
Seriously. Now you cannot eat it. Okay, you can't chew it. Okay, I'm gonna open your mouth. When I tell you open your mouth, you're gonna close your mouth and I'm gonna pull it away from you. Okay.
Baby, what is it? Cause
Just come on.
Okay, wait. Is everything edible?
Yes, I swear everything you can eat.
Alright. Do I like this shit?
See, you doing too much. This is why I don't play games. Okay.
Alright, come on, cause I don't play games either. This shit is.
Okay, so you ready?
Goddamn. Yeah.
Come on, you going back too far now. You gotta be still. Stop trying to bring you back.
Rock with it.
Say I. Let me taste it again.
One more time. It's one of them white mint like flavors.
Okay, that's right.
Oh, at first I was about to say it was a
Say I. Ah. Look at tongue out though. Okay.
I said Cheeto puff.
Okay, she's trying to win. Okay. Say I.
One more time. Green Cheeto. Hot Cheeto.
Okay. Not green Cheeto.
I thought it was at first I thought it was just
Green Cheeto though.
You know which one I'm talking about though?
No.
The jalapeno Cheetos?
Come on. Do more.
Them hoes smack though. That's a Kit Kat.
Oh, damn, you a trooper.
Am I supposed to put is it okay if I did that?
Huh?
Alright. I didn't break no rules though, right?
No.
Oh, this shit easy as hell though, for real.
This girl trying to win.
That's fucked up though because you putting all these flavors in my mouth, so it's like gonna make it harder. How many things I got?
This your last one.
Do I look right on the camera? Like,
Hey, you look fine. Come on. Huh?
oh, that one was hard. Have I ever had that though?
Yeah, I'm sure. Don't be trying to smell now.
What? Babe. Do it one more time. Let's hold it on there. What the fuck?
No, you cannot bite it and you cannot let it go.
Oh, I've had that before.
Let it go. You cannot chew it.
I never had that before.
You want to guess it?
It's some type of marshmallow candy.
Here, try it right here, baby. You will know.
A peep?
A peep of what?
No, like isn't that what it's called? A peep? Those yellow birds?
You done guessing?
I guess so, because I've never had that.
You want to try it again just to be sure? Or you give up? Because
No,
if you
try
give up,
last
you
time.
lose. You don't get your money.
Okay, so what if I just like don't? What if I never tried that?
You need to put your hands down because if you can't play
But
with
what
it,
if I never tried this?
You tried it. You done
That's not
had.
fair.
Bitch, I know you fucking lied.
Come on. Ah, baby, for real?
You can take the first.
Baby, for real?
You can take. You can take it.
Oh, you played the fuck out of me on national television. No. I'm trying to.
I gotta stop. Okay, hold on then. Let me end the show.
Baby, so do I win $100? Cause that.
You do not win. You didn't even say sour candy, nothing. You didn't even try to guess it. So this is Rose.
That is fucked up. No, because who the fuck?
Team
No.
Rose. Team Rose.
Oh, okay. You need to see my motherfucking money. Where your phone at?
Oh no.
I really thought she bought it.
Y'all,
What the fuck
this
is
is a
this?
good ass prank.
That was, but guess
Baby.
what?
Hey, come on, peace, y'all, babe.
Hold on,
Peace
I'm
out.
not just
Baby,
like.
give me my phone.
Nope.
You can.
Watch out!
You cheat.
Hi, cheese.
Give my phone.
Hell no.
Give my phone. She's sitting here hitting the door things and shit. You was not finna get that. I'm gonna send my money back. You want a wedgie? Give my
wedgie.
Give my phone.
Baby, you need to see my motherfucking money.
No, she lost.
You a cheater.
So this is Rosexrare, guys. Peace.
She's a fucking cheater, bro. That shit is not sour at all.
Girl, this shit.
It's gummy. That shit give you like peat vibes. I'm finna eat that up here. I don't give a fuck. I like candy. I'm gonna eat a little pea. Like the little.
You so stupid.
Anyway, y'all, she did get me. But
I got her, y'all.
just wait, hold on. Y'all could be Team Rose right now. But Team Red gonna stand up.
Nah.